The National Health Fund, NHF, received a significant boost in the fight against COVID-19. Medical supplies valued at $168 million were provided by the Issa Trust Foundation and its international partner Direct Relief to the NHF. The donation includes asthma inhalers, antibiotics, diabetes, mental health and immune suppression medications, and intravenous fluids. The Issa Trust Foundation had, prior to this donation, sourced $238,000 in equipment and supplies to fight COVID-19. The collaborative efforts to tackle the impact of COVID-19 also gained traction this week, with the Ministry of Labour and Social Security, MLSS, receiving a donation of $5 million worth of food supplies from the separate group for use in its ongoing humanitarian assistance and disaster relief response program. The food packages were presented by Group CEO Richard Pandui to the Permanent Secretary in the Ministry, Colette Roberts-Risden, at its warehouse on Marcus Garvey Drive. The Ministry of Labour and Social Security will distribute the food packages to the nation's most vulnerable. Donations of some 7,500 COVID-19 test kits and 2 diagnostic machines valued at approximately $200,000 or roughly 35 million Jamaican dollars were made to the University Hospital of the West Indies UHWI Wednesday, April 27. The supplies were made courtesy of East West Power Korea (EWP) through the JPS Foundation. The gift will improve the UHWI's testing capacity from 200 per day to 986 per day, or 393%, which is a key element in the fight against the spread of COVID-19. Health Minister Christopher Tufton thanked the EWP for its contribution, noting that the South Korean experience and success in handling the present health challenge posed by COVID-19 could provide useful learning tools for local authorities. Dr. Tufton also expressed appreciation for the continued friendship and bilateral partnership between South Korea and Jamaica.
This is a true test of global friendship, global collaboration, coming together as one people of the world in order to ensure the survival of all of us as humanity.